Meet Hamrig, the cloud platform for remote amateur radio. Control, share, and operate your ICOM rigs entirely from the browser. With WebRTC audio, native network support, and close to zero configuration, Hamrig turns any connected device into a powerful, secure station console. Live today in public beta. Modern ICOM radios are digital masterpieces, but most control software is stuck in the past. Windows-only clients, painful port forwarding, and bandwidth-heavy spectrum views. Hamrig was designed to close this gap and give today's radios the modern remote experience they deserve. Hamrig was created by an operator who has used ICOM radios for over 30 years. From the IC2E to today's IC905 and IC7762, together with lots of external hardware. Hardware leapt ahead to network-native SDR, yet software stayed in another era. Hamrig is the modern, secure, anywhere access platform this hardware has been waiting for. In one sentence, Hamrig puts your station safely on the internet with no router changes. Enjoy full CAT control, dual 25 FPS spectrum scopes, and low-latency audio. Share rigs with clubs and friends using role-based access, all from a single browser tab acting as the complete client. Our remote client runs in any modern browser, using WebSockets and Canvas to deliver a smooth 25 FPS waterfall with digital phosphor, and only about 100 kilobits per second of data. You get bidirectional Opus audio and responsive controls that feel local, even over modest connections. Here's how Hamrig compares. Unlike Windows-only tools that need port forwarding and 5 times the bandwidth, Hamrig works from any browser over outbound TLS only. You gain efficient 100 kbit size performance, station scheduling and roles, plus extras like logging, maps, and satellites, and a ton of other useful features for everyday DXing. The Hamrig Gateway is a lightweight connector in your shack. It links your radio hardware to the cloud with minimal latency. Running on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Raspberry Pi, it connects via USB and LAN or Wi-Fi and uses an outbound-only TLS tunnel. No open ports, no VPN required. Hamrig's architecture eliminates port forwarding and VPNs. Both the gateway and browser dial out into our optimized WebRTC and WebSocket mesh, routing around congestion. Audio, control, and core services each take the best path so you enjoy secure, low-latency operation worldwide. Native ICOM network support is available now. The gateway speaks the Ethernet protocol directly, so your rig can sit in the attic or shed and connect over LAN or Wi-Fi, no USB cable to the radio. You get efficient 25 FPS streams, no extra audio latency, and most modern ICOM rigs fully tested. Hamrig already supports a broad range of ICOM radios, including IC7300, 7610, 705, 9700, 7760, and 905 with native features. Experimental and planned support extends to additional models. This gives you confidence that today's and tomorrow's ICOM hardware will feel right at home on Hamrig. Our DX Intelligence Map turns propagation data into actionable insight. Visualize MUF, gray line, Aurora, and VOA cap layers in real time. Integrated spots, log entries, solar indices, and a DXpedition calendar help you decide instantly where to point your antenna and when to call. Hamrig's logging and analytics transform raw QSOs into strategy. Enjoy an elegant entry form with live call sign lookup, instant stats on bands and modes, and rich charts for your performance. Logs auto-upload to QRZ, LOTW, EQSL, and CloudLog, so your awards and records stay in sync. With 3D satellite tracking, Hamrig brings space operations into your browser. A built-in orbital engine visualizes passes around the globe while we handle VFO Doppler correction. Reception is already solid, and transmit support is in progress, paving the way for effortless SAT QSOs. Repeaters and D-Star become simple with Hamrig. Use the integrated repeater book database or manual setup, complete with tone generation. For D-Star, link reflectors or route by call sign in easy or expert mode. Complex digital voice workflows are now just a few clicks away. Hamrig makes station sharing and scheduling dependable. A conflict-proof calendar prevents double bookings, while granular permissions define who can listen or transmit on each rig. Usage analytics track TX time and operators, ideal for clubs and institutions needing accountability. The companion app keeps your shack habits intact. Running locally, it bridges USB controllers, CW paddles, and legacy software to your remote session. From RC28 tuning knobs to N1MM via Winky emulation and Ridge CTLD support, Everything you already own continues to deliver value. Momentum is real. Operators around the globe are already modernizing their stations in the public beta. From contesters to DX hunters, feedback is enthusiastic and shaping our roadmap. Joining now means benefiting from a rapidly evolving platform proven daily by active radio amateurs. Our roadmap focuses on the features operators ask for most. Club communities, station automation, and Hamrig rotators are in development or planned. IC-PW2 amplifier integration is coming, so you can monitor power, SWR, and temperature and switch antennas, all from the browser. We are also building monetization into Hamrig. Rent out your contest-grade station to vetted operators when you are off the air. Hamrig automates scheduling, payments, and permissions, while you retain full control over pricing, access rules, and who operates your equipment. The Hamrig public beta is live and open today. Create your account, install the gateway, and you can be on the air in under 5 minutes. No router changes, no VPN, just your browser. Visit hamrig.com and start experiencing truly modern remote amateur radio.